If you're an artist or know an artist who's contemplating starting a career, you need to get this book. As artists, we're constantly inundated with messages of how to paint better and smarter, and this book certainly does all that, but it also reminds us one of the most important messages, which is to paint what you love and paint from the heart, and aligning that with how you're going to do it while still making money, dispelling that starving artist myth. Hi everyone, it's Crystal Beshara here. I have a book review for you today. I'm talking about none other than Kristy Gordon. Many years ago, I had the pleasure of inviting Kristy to teach a workshop at my art space in Ottawa, Ontario. And not only was I struck by how humble she was, but it's very rare, I think, where you can find an artist of this caliber who is also a great communicator. She has just skyrocketed in the last 10 years, and I'm so pleased to see such a brilliant book by her become a great artist. And it's the kind of book I sure wish that I had when I graduated from my university with my Bachelor of Fine Arts. It's full of incredible tips, and it's almost like a workbook that follows you progressively through your artistic journey. There's some beautiful anecdotes, great imagery, of course, and it's the information that you can only get from a working artist. And so many books are based on an academic approach to making art a career, and this is definitely one of these handbooks that I can see serving artists in community for many, many generations to come. We highly recommend getting your hands on this book. It's available through the link included here below the video. Congratulations, Kristy Gordon, on your beautiful, educational, and impactful book. Feel free to share and definitely subscribe for more videos just like this.